Ayo peeps, CodeRC3 here, and welcome back to a coding tutorial on this channel. Yes, it's definitely been a while since I've uploaded one of these, but we are back. And I wanted to start with a little bit of a redux from my How to Work with Multiple Classes video. And the reason why I say redux is because I've only really did like a driver class being used by an object class, which is technically fine. I did cover a few things in there. But like I never really talked about inheritance or method overriding, which we'll go over in this video. Now, essentially, inheritance is a topic in Java or object-oriented languages like Java and C++, where a certain class or classes have a relation with one another, like a parent-child relation, subclass-superclass relationship. Now, Java supports single inheritance, meaning a class can only inherit from one parent class, not two. C++ actually has multiple inheritance. An example being maybe a tank, right? That's a vehicle and also a weapon. So tank can inherit from the vehicle class and the weapon class. In this case, for the sake of this video, the bar class inherits from the restaurant class, since a bar is also a restaurant. And with that, let's get into the video. Excuse me, the code. So the restaurant, let's do pub. Oh, that is in caps. Public string choice, and that's essentially what you want to order. Public void order. We have the method here, string choice. We set up our data fields here. This dot choice equals choice. Make sure to use this keyword to specify what you're doing or what data field you're referencing, because if you just remove the choice, it will be a self-assignment and you'd have dead code and you wouldn't be able to pass in anything. So this dot choice equals choice system dot out dot println I'll take choice. Oh god. Choice, please. That's the order. And make sure if you want to print out a double quote or a single quote that you use the backslash before it. So that's how I usually print like quotes or tab characters or new lines. Now the bar class, bar extends restaurant. Now for a bar, you have to be 21 to drink in it, at least in the United States. So public int age, public string choice. We use choice again for a reason I'll explain soon. So public void set age. If you're using data fields, by the way, you want them to be private. Like if you're using getters and setters, that's good practice. Set age, int age. This dot age equals age. Public int get age, return age. And now we use the override keyword, public void order string choice. And you'll see why we're doing this soon. So this dot choice equals choice system dot out dot println I'll take a choice. Can't even spell right. And here's where the plan goes into action. Public boolean is 21. Int age. My bad, made a mistake. If get age greater than or equal to 21, return true. Else, return false. Yeah, it can be simplified, but we're not gonna. If is 21, we print here you go. Else system dot out dot println I'm afraid you can't order here. And let's put a backslash here and make the correction here to system dot out dot println here you go. All right, awesome. We have this in place. Perfect. Use override keyword, by the way, to change method. See, since order is also existing, since order also exists in restaurant, if you implement this method, you'll have to override it to make your changes. So that way, your order doesn't have to follow the rules of restaurants. All right, so int age equals 21 since I am 21. Restaurant equals new restaurant. String choice 1 equals maybe a steak. Just order a steak. Restaurant dot order choice 1. Could just call it steak, but whatever. Now bar equals new. Oops. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Equals new bar. Now bar, that's set age. We set that to age. And then we do bar dot order. You could pass in the string, so I'm gonna say Corona Extra. It's the beer I usually have. And with that, let's run the class. I'll take a steak, please. Here you go. Steak is really good. I'll take a Corona Extra, please. Here you go. But suppose that we travel back in time to 20-year-old me, and I try to order a Corona Extra, and I'm afraid you can't order here. Gotta wait a year. Anyway, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell button for notifications to always know when I upload. And yeah, be sure to wash your hands, stay safe, wear a mask, and get vaccinated. Yeah, if it's your birthday, happy birthday. If you sneeze during this video, bless you, and peace.